Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to visit the local night market in Malaysia. This night market, there are many places in Malaysia where this market happens, but this one is nearer to my place where I stay presently in Malaysia. Whoever is from Malaysia, he or she can relate the place in Shah Alam. So this market generally comes in every Thursday. There is a specific reason why we visit these night markets here. Generally I come every Thursday whenever I am having a day off from my work schedule. We get all the fresh produced vegetables and fruits, unlike the shopping malls. They are directly bringing from the farming land, and this is a one-stop destination. We don't not only get the fruits and vegetables here. There are a lot of small shops where we can find the accessories and all, some small clothes, and there are small street foods. Now in the starting of the market, you can see all the fruits and vegetables from in the both sides of the road. There are a lot of fruits. They are also selling the local fishes and some sea fishes also. So after this, there are places where there are small shops where you can find street foods.